Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to this second video of my channel. So continuing, So today this is the first setup um, of the journal. Let's say the video journal. I'm starting, and this is a short on Euro USD and London session. It's currently 9:26 a.m. in the morning here in Europe. And yeah, I just took this short as this setup was already explained yesterday during yesterday video. Price was around here when I was recording, and I said that we will wait for a potential retracement on this supply zone here. And sadly, price came into the zone during Asian session and gave us the confirmation during Asian. We had this break and price retracing and retesting here. All of this happened during Asian session, during overnight. And yeah, the setup I'm taking here uses this logic. We had this recent break of structure going with the new formed bearish structure after this bullish push and reaction from the previous supply zone. So at 9 a.m. We had this push taking out all this intra-range liquidity here. And now, yeah, price broke structure, took out this liquidity, and reacted off this area, around this area, this imbalance. Reacted here, and that's where I entered around here. On the 5-minute chart, I saw this candle here reacting and taking out all these highs here. And as soon as price made this bearish candle and retraced, that's when I entered. I entered around here. So we have overall a bearish structure. I put my stop loss above this high, as I can still see price potentially going high over here, take out this high by a few pips, and then continuing lower. So this is just the reason why I have my stop loss over here, because if price goes and break this high, the setup would be invalid, because all this area is already mitigated by price, and this is the only area that's not fully filled, fully mitigated. So that's why I have my stop loss over here. But price is already moving nicely, so yeah, I'm hoping to see a nice push to the downside. I have my target at the 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio at this next low, and yeah, let's see how it plays out throughout this day and this morning. Yeah, the overall analysis is this is the start of the week over here. This is the weekly open, weekly candle open. Price pushed upwards at the beginning of the week, and formed a new low here, and formed on Tuesday a potential high of the week. Yeah, so this is a statistical edge that price might form the high of the week in a bearish trend between the first half of the week and between Tuesday London's open and Wednesday New York open. So this might be the potential high. This is where I took, around this area, I took a trade on New York open, and yeah, this high was also a manipulation of this high here. Very nice move. manipulating this high, continuing the structure, breaking lower, retesting this week, and then continuing lower, breaking structure again, retracing another liquidity spike here, and once again breaking structure, breaking structure again, forming a new low. So this is where I'm taking the setup on this next mitigation and new bearish structures. Yeah, I might add partial profit at the 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, which also it's exactly where this imbalance is here. So I'm definitely adding an alert here for PP1, and we also had this alert as a stop loss. You can also edit the alert on TradingView with right click, edit, and you can add the message. So stop loss here, and this is my target 1, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. This is a total of 3.7. So considering I'll be taking half of percentage of the position over here at the 1 to 3, this will be plus 1 to 1.5 plus 1.5 R over here, because it's 3 half 2, and this is 3.7 half 2. So we had this should be plus 1.8 for a total of around 3.3 R. So if price goes to target, considering the partial, we'll have a total of 3.3 R win. So let's see how this plays out. I'll be monitoring this pair once price breaks below this point, and I look to potentially move my stop loss above this high here, exactly above this high. If price breaks below this low, and so I half my risk. That would be the idea. Yeah, one thing to notice is the news event. We have a news event coming soon. Today is Thursday. We have at 11 a.m. we have some high impact news on Euro CPI release. So I look out for this news event. I'll add an alert on my smartphone, and a few minutes before the news. So I'll be ready to either take partials before the event, either move stop loss to half my risk, or potentially close the trade. Or in general, I'll monitor my position at 11 a.m. So yeah, I also set an alert here for the potential break even. And yeah, this is the, yeah, of course, one other alert here for the target. Yeah, let's see how this plays out, and I'll see you guys in about 1 hour for the news release and to monitor the position. See you soon. All right, welcome back. So what happened? So from here, price continued down and reacted to the zone I had drawn, but it didn't break. So I didn't move my stop loss to above this high or to break even because price didn't break the zone, but reacted perfectly. So at the moment, it's just 1 minute away to the news event that's coming up 11 a.m. 1 more minute. I'm just waiting for the news event to come out. This is very risky. I don't recommend doing what I'm doing, but I've back tested and trading, having a trade open during a news event is fine. Um, and it doesn't really affect the win rate. And yeah, at the end of the day, my news event will just accelerate the price and let it do what it has to do. And yeah, whether it's going to stop loss or continuing in profit. So yeah, the moment price is just going bullish, very bullish after this reaction on this level. Let's see what happens. And yeah, just a few seconds. Let's see if I get knocked out of this trade um, or price continues in profit. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, I was expecting a stronger reaction at the open of the candle, but it's so good. Let's see how price will move in the next few minutes. This is a double top, or actually, yeah, I didn't break. This is a double top. Uh, let's see if price decides to first sweep the liquidity before dropping, or whether it's going to continue from here, or whether price is just going bullish. Yeah, let's see the news. Yeah, it's bearish for dollar, yeah, for euro, and okay. Let's see. We also have some news events at 2:15 p.m. at New York Open, but it will be for dollar. So if price is still, if I'll be in the trade at 2 p.m., I'll be back and review what's happening. Price is still not too fast at the moment, still slow. Yeah, this is going very bullish, so most likely will be hitting my stop loss, most likely. Let's see. We still have some room. Uh, let's wait and see what will be happening. All right, so price is about to hit my stop loss, and yeah, we are out of this trade. So yeah, this is a small loss for me, as I was risking um, just 0.5%, and yeah, on to the next trade.